Dollar Tree, stop playing with me, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, honey. You gotta stop, Dollar Tree. I'm serious. I'm gonna show you a few items, okay? The items are good like this when you see me throw the glasses on. I mean, the deals are dealing so good. I had to put on some glasses up in here. You get what I'm saying? Because, honey, Dollar Tree, you just take a look at this. I'll show you these items at Dollar Tree that went from $1.50 down to $1. You ready? Well, let's go then. All right, Linda, why you complaining saying about the market, how everything is going up? Look at this. Dollar Tree said, no, everything's going down, okay? The Martha White, now, if you don't know nothing about these muffins, honey, I don't know what to say to you, okay? But these are delicious. Just add a little more sugar and some butter. Oh, child, you wouldn't have it. Now, these was $1.50. They went down to $1. They also have the wild berry ones as well. The Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix, these are now $1. Pillsbury traditional sugar cookie mix, $1. Now Dollar Tree, honey, when I tell you they out here moving and grooving, these bags of cereal Lucky Charms. Then they also have the Captain Crunch berries, honey, 4 quarters, okay? They also have the cups over here, the Lucky Charms. All of these, as you can see, they went down to $1, honey. I mean, so many amazing finds that are now $1. They also have the icing over here, the Pillsbury Doughboy. You only need 4 quarters. Okay, that's it, 4 quarters. Honey, they out here moving. Let me tell you something. These next few items, you want to make sure you stick around town for this video, okay? Because I'm going to show you guys these items you never, and that's word to the mother and the brother, never seen these before. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the icing decorations over here. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. From Sarah's Bake Shop. Now, I absolutely love this. Honey, you can put your children's home name on the cake, okay? Now, providing you going, maybe you doing a little homemade, DIY cakes, okay? Dollar Tree has the icing decorations. These are fancy. And for the fact that these are $1.50 and you get the whole alphabet, plus the 1, 2, 3s. Oh, child, this is goody, Linda. Just having a good old time at Dollar Tree. Ooh, child. Did you guys happen to see this? Oh, yes, you know they fancy. You know they styling and definitely profiling. These are the silicone lids. Oh, yes. Now, they come in different colors. Check this out. You're rocking with the best. I absolutely love this, especially if you lost that top to that pie, okay? Dollar Tree has these silicone lids. They come in 3 different colors. They have the green. You know green is my thing, definitely like a chicken wine. They also have the red. Ooh, yeah. And then they also have the black. Ooh, black is where it's at. Honey, they are, you know what? Dollar Tree is definitely the one-stop shop, okay? They are really showing out. Honey, I said, what? Listen, Dollar Tree. You ain't gonna believe this. Check this out. Honey, Dollar Tree has the 2-boom infinity bar portable wireless speaker. Look at this. Listen, long-lasting battery, true wireless stereo, 16-inch speaker length, easy access buttons, charging time 3 to 4 hours. Ooh, working time 1 to 2 hours. Now, these are $7. Oh, my looky cookie. This is amazing. Dollar Tree said, listen, you need a phone stand? Aren't they showing out? They are showing straight out. Now, straight out of Compton. Why did I say that, honey? It just made sense. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree has these phone stands. Absolutely love this. Honey, you want to check this out. And you won't believe how much these cost. Check this out. So Dollar Tree said, of course we have the phone stands. Who you think you're dealing with? Okay, honey, these are movie groovy, $1.50. Now they come in 2 different colors. They have the black, all right, that's where it's at. They also have the white. Ooh, chill. Love this. Absolutely, hands down, amazing. For $1.50, oh, there's definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. It is always the newness for me at Dollar Tree, you know, and that's word to the mother and the brother. I cannot make this stuff up even if I wanted to, Linda. You get what I'm saying? Couldn't make it up. So Dollar Tree has the original polyfill. Ooh. Now, premium polyester. Now, you may be saying, Dina, what the heck is this for? Honey, high performance fiber fill for pillows, dolls, stuffed toys, and crafts. Ooh. Now, it even had, child, you know they fancy. They even got on here 12-inch stuffed toys, at least one. 6-inch stuffed toys, at least 2. Honey, I mean, it is the directions for me. You get what I'm saying? Now, I absolutely love the fact that these are, wait for it, honey, $3 only. This is amazing. Oh, my goodness. You have throw pillow covers, okay? Honey, you can come to Dollar Tree and get some of these. Honey, why are they turning into IKEA, you know, Walmart, Target? I mean, Dollar Tree is just your one-stop shop. You get what I'm saying? You know, Dollar Tree said, just bring me all your money. That's what they said. They really said that. I'm not making that up. Dollar Tree has the Immune Plus Gut Defense Gummies. Ooh, honey, let's check this out. Honey, looky, cookie, do benefit for gut plus immune system. Probiotics, vitamin C plus zinc, strawberry citrus boost, flavor sugar free, and you get 14 gummies. Yes, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. Honey, when I tell you these are amazing, these are absolutely divine, and I'm right on time. Now, this is the vapor tabs. You get 5 of these. Oh my, looky, cookie. 5 of these for $1.25, and when I tell you they're gonna have your bathroom smelling fresher than fresh, eucalyptus scent, put it to the test. $1.25, rocking with the best. Love this. Now, you need something to remove the eyeshadow on your eyelids. Oh, yes. Don't play with them. Don't even play with Dollar Tree. These are the BioPure Eyelid Cleansing Wipes, pocket size. Singles, you get 15 individual wipes for $1.25. Oh, yes, $1.25, honey. You know what does it for me? When I go to other stores and I see that these items are like $11, $12, I'm like, no way, Jose. Dollar Tree even said, no way, Jose. Right? Check these items out at Dollar Tree. Honey, it is the Whip Shave Cream for me. This is the Spa Luxury Brazilian, so, ooh, yes, make a way. They also have the extra creamy vanilla coconut with coconut oil and aloe vera. Oh, yes, Jose. Oh, dulce de leche. Extra creamy. Ooh, I know that's right. When I tell you that Dollar Tree is definitely the new Ulta, the new Sephora, all right, with these items, no more excuses about you breaking a bank, because it's no excuse at this point, okay? Because they got so many dupes out right now, it ain't even funny. Check this out. The girls that do their own lashes, that's like, Dina, I ain't going to Lily. Honey, Dollar Tree said, we got the tea. Come spend your money with me. All right, look at these. Now, these are the Wispy Natural Short Lashes at Dollar Tree. Now, what I absolutely love about this is 100% handmade. We call it fancy. They are $1.25. Wispy Natural Short Individual Lash Extensions 3D Folks Mink. So if you fabulous folks are looking for a blush revitalizing stick, raspberry, ooh child, Dollar Tree said we here for it. Vitamin E, love this. And honey, you know what else it is for me? It is the highlighter revitalizing stick as well. Golden. You remember the Golden Girls back in the day? Oh my goodness, I love their show with Sophia. Ooh, chill. And Blanche. Oh, lordy. And Dorothy. Okay, honey, don't make me call all the names out. Now, Dollar Tree also have the bronzer deep tan. This is $1.25 as well. Like this. Looky cookie. Hey, good looking. Yes. So, Dollar Tree has the bronzer. Honey, it is really the packaging for me. Marketing team, you're doing your thing like a chicken wing. Bronzer, and then, of course, they also have the blush. Oh, yes. Let's give this a go, Joe. So, first we are going to go in with the blushy blush. I'm excited. That's how you know I'm excited. Giving fancy on a trillion. Honey, get into this. Dollar Tree is real. I mean, they are doing too much. Okay, let's get this a go, Joe. Ooh, I'm liking. Is it eating, girls? Is it eating? Okay, so let's see if this is as fancy as the packaging. I think we have a winner chicken dinner. Now let's just go right ahead. I know my brushes need to be cleaned. I know that. Tell me something I don't know. Dollar Tree, stop playing with me, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, honey. You gotta stop, Dollar Tree. I'm serious. All right, my lovelies, we gonna go in with the bronzer, okay? I'm doing this for you guys. Packaging again, yes. Who is coming up with this? All right, so with the bronzer, okay, wait, hold on, child, hold on. Okay, put it on the forehead. Oh, child, yes. You know you're rocking with the best. Don't play with her. Okay, let's go in and blend, win. And at first I was like, dang, I can't even see this. Okay, now with the bronzer, I just wish it was a little darker. Okay, like I just wish it was a little darker. Looky cookie. Honey, how about the Hydrate and Glow Makeup Setting Spray? Long lasting, dewy finish. Now, you want to check this out, Linda. Now, I absolutely love the fact that this says up to 16 hours wear, humidity resistance, last all day, natural finish. Ooh, child, you know, they really showing out at Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you a few items, okay? It's showing out once again. They just keep doing this, you know, for the winnie win. I get it, you know, I really get it. This is the Wicked Vanilla Mint Scented Body Wash. When I tell you, oh, it is the mint and the vanilla for me. $1.25 for the winnie win. But hold on, honey, it gets better. Now, Harry. Now, if you don't like Harry, you and I definitely, we can't be friends. We can't rock and roll together. Listen, Harry, on a broom. Ooh, legit. Honey, I think that's how you pronounce it, okay? $1.25 for the winnie win. Oh, that's so good. Now, they also have the Moana, the hibiscus scented. Now, you know, I mean, this ain't come to rock and pop. You know, you smell it faintly, but they're hairy and they're wicked. Oh, honey, that's a different story. Okay, now this, the wild coconut, is definitely giving a scent, okay, and that is a wild coconut. Now, this is the 3-in-1, not the 2-in-1, not the 1-in-1, but the 3-in-1. You get what I'm saying? Now, this is Moana body wash, shampoo, conditioner, 3-in-1 for $1.25. Oh, honey, we just having fun. Ooh. Oh, you know we hit the jackpot, don't you? Oh, this is a goodie. Why do they gotta do this to me at Dollar Tree? Why? Like, wow, what did I do? You know, to deserve all of these goody win-wins, okay? Oh, you know why? Because I'm fabulous, okay? Just fabulous. Now, you looking for a hand soap that smells absolutely delicious. I mean, so good. It's definitely the... So, it is the Delta hand soap, watermelon and basil. If you know, you know, Joe. These are $1.25 for the flowy, growy grows. Absolutely amazing. And then they also have these. Now, this is by far my fave at Dollar Tree. It would definitely be these, the pink petals. This is the power stick for her. Love this. And right now, my children and I, we're using the lemongrass lullaby. Absolutely amazing. It smells so delish. Oh my, for $1.25, honey, that's a win. Oh, honey, looky, cookies, Smarties, woman plush shorts. Ooh, for the win. And the fact that they're $1.50, oh, that makes so much sense. And they feel so soft. Love this. What I love finding goodies at Dollar Tree. You know, I just, you know, it's like they're attracted to me, the goodies, you know. Check these items out. So Dollar Tree has these cool, and I do mean cool, fruit socks. Now they have the Mountain Dew. They also have the Baja Blast. Ooh, child. They also have the Dr. Pepper Cherry Smuckers. Ooh, I like this. The Dew. Mountain Dew, ooh, love this. These are $1.50. They also have Liquid Death, $1.50 as well. Ooh, Dollar Tree said, honey, you know you rocking with the best. So Dollar Tree said, honey, do you want fancy? And you guys said, most definitely we do, Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree said, look no further. We on the go. Now, Dollar Tree has the name brand Gibson. These kitchen essentials, oh my, looky cookie. They have the silicone turner, aka the spatula. They also have the spoon, and then they also have another slotted silicone turner, you know, aka spatula. And then they also have the pasta mixer. Okay, that's what I call it. Now, Dollar Tree also have from Gibson. Love these, honey. Aren't they giving fancy McPancy? These are $1.50. Yes. This item, I'm absolutely falling in love with it. I'm falling in love with it, honey. Did you guys see these tall mugs, glasses? Honey, this thing is heavier than I don't know what. It weighs about 10-20 pounds, okay? This is given, ooh, show it up like the king and queen you are. Now, I don't know what you gonna put in here, okay? But when I was a kid, my daddy, he used to put these in a freezer and put his cold beer. Okay, that's just something my father used to do. Okay, now these are $1.50 for the win whole win, honey. They got so many. Check this out. So I heard you like them cold, huh? These are $1.50. Aren't they giving? Ooh, chill. I like this.